Hello friend, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I am going to show you switch back to personal account on Instagram. Now let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Instagram app and make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Also log into your current account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. In the profile page, look at the top right corner. Here you can see the 3-line hamburger menu icon. Click to open them. After the page is open, scroll down a little, look for the account type and tool section. Click to open it. Here you can look at the top menu bar, find the account type option, click on them. In the page, you can look for the professional section, find the switch account type option, click on it. After that, you can see two various options. Look for the switch to personal account option at the very bottom, click on them. After that, confirm by tapping switch to personal account again and wait to complete the process. And automatically switch to personal account your phone, and that's it how you can easily switch back to personal account on Instagram. If this guide will help you, please consider to subscribing my channel, like this video, and goodbye.